Ludlow in Kentucky.
WSAI.
Speaking of Ludlow, Kentucky, that's where this request came from. Yes, sir. Fella home from work this morning wanted to hear that rainy day feeling again. Picked a good day to request this song. 80% chance of showers and thunder showers today. High near 80, 63 now.
1360 WSAI.
Hey, good morning. It's 9:28 in the morning. Here comes Jerry Reed. Ha ha. When you're hot, you're hot.
1360 WSAI. Cincinnati.
Ha ha. 9:30 in the morning. Good morning. This is Jim Scott playing a request for Northern Kentucky. But if you live in Indiana or Ohio, you can listen. Honky-tonk woman. Oh, those are the best kind. The only thing wrong with honky-tonk women are those honky-tonk men that hang around, you know? But then if you go to the other extreme, not a honky-tonk woman, but a sweet city woman that used to live in Erlanger, well, you got something else. A song about her and all those gals by the Stampeders. Ready for it? All right. Start clapping your hands and sing along. Come on.
Well, I'm on my way.
Sweet, 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 sweet city woman. Good morning. 9:36 on WSAI. 63 degrees, and it's going to be cloudy today with showers and thunder showers off and on. In fact, there's an 80% chance that's going to happen. So get your umbrella out.
Folds are Cincinnati Gardens. See Jesus Christ Superstar at Cincinnati Gardens August 5th.
WSAI.
Oh, I wouldn't miss that for the world, boy. 23 minutes before 10. Good morning to Carol Collins, and happy birthday, honey. She was 15 about a week or so ago. On vacation, not at home, so we give her a belated birthday. Carol Collins, 15. Oh, and a good friend of mine, Bob Colquitt. Bob Colquitt had his 20th birthday Saturday. So, got a birthday recently or today or it's coming up, happy birthday to you. What's the matter? Can't you read the signs? 5-man electrical band. Good morning. Look who's here on WSAI. Tommy Rowe. Remember good old Tommy Rowe? Oh, and this big hit. Hooray for Hazel. Tommy Rowe. Good morning. It's 17 now. 17 before 10 on WSAI. 63 degrees. Bobby Rivers at 10 o'clock this morning. Thrill and delight you.
You don't think this has happened?
1360 WSAI.
Where the music is, where Maggie and Redbone are, where you are, right here. It's the Larry Clark Show. Dig it.
Maggie was a hooking game. All in the hooking game.
Oh, Pickett. Yes. Yeah. 21 and a half to go until 2, chasing away the rainy day blues on a Larry Clark Show. To 2 o'clock, it'll be Bob Good filling in for a sunning Roy Cooper.
A youthquake begins with the birth of...
WSAI.
A little rain today, variably cloudy, high in the low 80s. Now it's 72 degrees, and Sonny Charles sings about his lady. She's his black pearl, so fine. 16 and a half minutes till 2 on a Larry Clark Show at WSAI. Guess what? Here she comes in hot pants now. Ha ha. With James Brown accompanying.
Hot pants! Hey, hot pants! Bring it on home.
1360 WSAI.
I got a call. They're home. My wife and baby are home. I get to go home and play daddy. I found out the cats are already jealous. One of them is sitting there staring down at the bassinet saying, "What did you bring into my house? What is that? I got fur on it. What good is it?" Oh, am I going to have trouble when I get home? Here's a song for y'all from the Stampeders.
I'm on my way, my sweet, 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 sweet city woman. Everybody
All together. Sweet, 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 sweet city woman. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Sam Peter makes music in 10.5 minutes before 2 o'clock in a Larry Clark program.
Treat the earth kindly. Get a taste of it.
WSAI.
You need hedges trimming or garden cleaning or weeding or something? Why not call Rent-A-Kit? Have somebody do it for you. For part-time help of any kind, call 381-3425. Say, help!
Walk out a little bit long. A little bit young. 1360 WSAI.
Signs. There are more signs per square foot on Columbia Parkway than any other highway in the entire state of Ohio. Just try it sometime. Little green arrows, little red arrows. No left turn, no right turn, no parking. No parking on the berm. Speed limit signs. I wonder how many of them have been hit. It's a 5-man all-electric band. It's 6.5 minutes until 2.
I believe I'll call this man love. He's just been so good to me.
749-5480. Got a call from Donna Hofrog of Covington, Kentucky. Yeah, she says she digs that song. That's why I'm playing it. Winston's Color Him Love, gonna color him father.
1360 WSAI.
Well, here's the forecast for today. Increasing cloudiness with showers and thunder showers. If you look outside, it's as clear as a bell. Just a very few clouds out there. So let's think about it. Let's wish the rain would go away, okay? All right, all together now. Let's wish. Let's get them together. Round them up, man. Round them up. March them back home and bring them back home alive. That's important. That's Frida Payne to bring the boys back home alive. It's 1:16 at WSAI with Bobby Rivers, the Bee Gees. How Can I Mend a Broken Heart? The Bee Gees and How Can I Mend a Broken Heart? It's 1:20 at WSAI.
WSAI.
121 WSAI. Little Bobby Rivers going to get together with Bobby Bland. Ladies, all right? Ready? Let's turn on your love light together. Ooh, I like that.
Was that a woman? Turn on your love light.
1360 WSAI.
Marvin Gaye has been around a long, long time, man. He is sounding better and better every hit he does. This is good. Mercy, Mercy Me. The Ecology Song. Great.
WSAI.
26 before 2 o'clock at SAI. Here's the forecast. It ain't too good. Increasing cloudiness with showers and thunder showers, likely by late afternoon. Chance of rain is up to 60%. Doesn't look like it, though. Not a cloud in the sky. Maybe one or two.
Sweet city woman.
And I tell you, I like them sweet, don't you? Like those sweet city women. Oh, Lord, grab me one now.
1360 WSAI.
23 before 2 o'clock at WSAI. Little Bobby Rivers on the radio. It's a Wednesday. Got the Honeycomb new song called Stick Up. I'd like to say happy birthday to Pam Payne of Linwood. She's 11 years old today and listening to the Bobby Rivers Show on WSAI. Can't think of a better way to spend an 11th birthday than that. Can you? No, I can't. 20 minutes before 2 with the Skyliners.
Country road's gonna take me home. Here I go in my little dusty Volkswagen down a country road. That's John Denver from WSAI. It's 323 on the Roy Cooper Show.
Cross County Highway.
WSAI.
Are you subject to freeway frustration? Learn to adjust the traffic flow. Choose the proper lane and keep it until you're ready to exit. Signal your exit in advance. This message from your Highway Safety Department. Ashton, Garner, and Dykes. 25 minutes past 3 with the Resurrection Shuffle.
WSAI, Cincinnati.
328 on the Roy Cooper Show. Yeah, come on. The Spencer Davis Group, and I'm a man, you know what the world knows. It's 29 and a half minutes to 4 from WSAI.
Only black label malt liquor.
Downtown, the Florence Drive-In, Florence, Kentucky, the Oakley Drive-In, and Acme Auto.
WSAI.
Mercy, Mercy Me. It's a great record. It's for Marvin Gaye. You're going to like it.
1960. WSAI.
25 till 4 from WSAI. It's up to 85 degrees with the Roy Cooper Show with Creedence. Sweet Hitchhiker. That's Creedence Clearwater. 23 minutes till 4 o'clock from WSAI.
Turn on a 10.
WSAI.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again. Once again. Partly cloudy with a chance of thundershower this afternoon. Early tonight, 85.
WSAI.
18 minutes till 4 o'clock on the Super Cooper Show. All people on the radio. Lobo, and she didn't do magic. Marvin Gaye and Mercy, Mercy Me, the Ecology.
1360. WSAI.
13 minutes before 3 o'clock with Bob Good from SAI. It's 86 degrees, and from the hit line, this is Maggie and Redbone.
Maggie was a booking game.
1360. WSAI.
10 minutes before 3 o'clock. You know, you don't have to belong to a political party to vote, but you do have to be registered. And newly enfranchised 18 to 20-year-old voters can stop by and register at the Board of Elections, 622 Sycamore Street, any weekday from 9 to 4. Please do that for all of our good. This is the Sweet City Woman, the Stampeders.
Well, I'm on my way. Sweet city woman. Sweet, 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 sweet city woman. Sweet, 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 sweet city woman.
1360. WSAI.
7 minutes before 3 o'clock. Bob Good and you on a Tuesday. And that's not clouds, that's smog downtown. It's the first time I've seen it in a long time. Well, since yesterday afternoon, to be exact.
The big stuff. Take my heart, Mr. Big Stuff.
Mr. Big Stuff, just who do you think you are? Anyhow, it's Gene Knight. It's 5 minutes before 3 o'clock with Bob Good.
1360. WSAI.
Headlines are open 749-5480 with Bob Good, Three Dog Night, and Liar.
1360. WSAI.
2.5 minutes before 3 o'clock with Bob Good. Have mercy. This is Al Green, and I'm tired of being alone.
I'm so tired.
From Cincinnati, WSAI. It's 3:01 with Bob Good. Those are the Hollies who look through any window. Remember that? 3 minutes past 3 o'clock. That's quite an innuendo record. Look out, I'll be looking in your window. Forget it.
Hey, guys, when's your hair its hairiest?
And here's another reminder. Get that barefoot feeling. Try a carton of Mountain Dew.
WSAI.
5 minutes past 3 with Rings and Cimarron.
In the morning, we hear a familiar name. It should be. He's been around a few years. Dick Biondi covers mornings for WSAI.
Dick Biondi at 8:09, 48 degrees. And I guess all those guys that sit around the taverns guzzling down beers. They should know the answer. The last name of George Lee. Very famous in this town. Good morning. This is Dick Biondi. 8:13, 48 degrees, a little bit of rain all over the area, and I'm very proud to say that we finally got a correct answer. A dentist in Madeira by the name of Mike Shane, who used to live in Chicago, and he called up and he said that he knew the famous person in Cincinnati whose first two names were George Lee. And we must have had about 40 calls. Nobody, until Mike called, knew who George Lee Anderson was, better known as Sparky Anderson, manager of the Cincinnati Reds. Well, I'll tell you now. Mr. Zimmerman down there at the Temple Delicatessen, 130 West 7th today.
Where the night-ended orgy of the living dead begins.
And Starlight Drive-In starts Sunday at the State Cinema.
WSAI. Well, I want to wish good luck to Cindy Janik, Joenhnk, down at Riverfront, trying to get opening day tickets. Lots of luck. Good morning. Dick Biondi, 8:27, 48 degrees. I want to say hello to Mike Goodman, who works in the advertising department of Procter & Gamble. He called up a little while ago and he said, I know the answer to that question. This was after it was all over. He was, missed it. He got out of his car to go to work. He said, the answer is George Lee Wiedemann. Huh? Sorry, Mike. He works over there at P&G. Funny thing, though, I told him about, how Procter & Gamble should come out with a toothpaste with a meat flavor, so at least most of us today with the prices can have something that reminds us of meat 3 or 4 times a day when we brush our teeth.
Your eyes